Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Englishl Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on Save Water, Save Earth. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. With the ongoing, scary and miserable climate change, this topic has become all the more important to learn from exam point of view and also to increase awareness amongst the public. So let's start learning. First line is, saving water is crucial for the sustainability of our planet. Second line is, water is essential for all forms of life. Third line is, it sustains ecosystems, supports agriculture and is vital for human consumption and sanitation. Fourth line is, it is a finite resource that must be managed wisely to ensure its availability for future generation. Fifth line is, water scarcity and pollution pose significant challenges globally. Sixth line is, conserving water helps preserve our natural ecosystems. line is water conservation reduces the energy required to pump, treat, and distribute water. Eighth line is by adopting simple habits, we can make a significant difference. Ninth line is every drop counts in the effort to protect our Earth's precious water resource. Last line is let's pledge to save water today for a greener and more sustainable tomorrow.